What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Anyways, today I've got another super simple pasta dish for you, Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. E Olio? Is that how you say it? Okay, I probably butchered that. Anyways, I first saw this dish in one of my favorite movies of all time, Chef. I saw this dish in this scene where the main character, who's a chef, he cooks for this waitress who's played by Scarlett Johansson. And during the scene, Scarlett Johansson is seductively sitting on this bed while the main character cooks this amazing pasta dish for her. The entire time I was just watching it and thinking, damn, that pasta is looking good. And so we don't have Scarlett Johansson here today with us, but hopefully we can make some delicious Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. So let's get into it. The best thing about this pasta dish is that the sauce is ready by the time your pasta finishes cooking. Remember the basics of cooking pasta. Bring the water up to a rolling boil, salt the water, and plump in your pasta. Okay, so now the pasta is sorted, we're going to slice up 4 cloves of garlic. Cut one end off and then peel the garlic skin off nice and delicately. We can't smash it like a maniac this time because we want to be able to cut lovely thin slices of garlic. You could also try chuck them against the chopping board. If they're in a good mood, they'll magically peel themselves. Once your garlic is peeled with utter perfection, place it down on your board so that it's nice and stable, fingers down and tucked away so you don't cut yourself, and just carefully slice nice, thin, even strips of garlic. Really take your time to practice. You can always develop your speed over time. This is an unusual technique because normally when making pasta sauces, we'll finely dice the garlic. But for this dish, we actually want the garlic to be nice and thin. The secret behind this dish is to gradually infuse the garlic flavor into the oil. Having nice, thin, even slices of garlic would do just that. Next, get a handful of fresh flat leaf parsley and give that a fine chop. This will add some lovely fresh aromatics to the pasta. Okay, sweet, we've got all our ingredients ready, time to get this sauce cooking. Add the garlic slices in a cold pan and about 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat the pan over a medium heat and we just want to slowly bring that olive oil and garlic up to temperature. The aim here is to slowly allow that garlic to infuse its flavor into the oil. I always recommend putting the garlic and oil in a cold pan first and gradually heating it up. Garlic tends to burn quite quickly if you add it to a pan of searing hot oil, and that's no good because the garlic won't have enough time to impart all its lovely juices. Once the oil gets hot enough, you'll start seeing the garlic toasting in that bubbling oil. Halfway through your toasting process, add about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. You don't want to add it too early because otherwise they might burn. Toast the garlic until they're nicely golden brown on the edges. This will take away the pungent garlic flavor, and what you're left with is a beautiful, subtle garlic flavor which has been infused in that oil. So once your pasta is cooked according to your packet instructions, drag the pasta directly into the sauce so that the starchy pasta water gets carried over. Give the pasta a good mix to really infuse it with the beautiful oil. Then finish off with our finely chopped parsley. If you're brave enough, give everything a little toss. All you gotta do is tilt the pan and flick up. Tilt and flick. Tilt and flick. This is smelling absolutely amazing right now. Finally, season with a generous seasoning of salt. Adding that little bit of salt at the end makes all the difference and really brings out the flavor of the garlic oil. And that, my friends, is how you cook Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. 2 things you need to remember when cooking this dish. Number 1, try and cut your garlic as thin as possible. And number 2, slowly infuse that garlic into the olive oil. Don't burn it by cracking the heat up too high. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Always appreciate it when you come drop by our channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other pasta dishes you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, make sure to subscribe down below. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. I'm going to go watch some Chef. So you're Scarlett Johansson. Yeah. So the camera.
Firm and soft.